guys, make sure you watch the full video, don't skip it. And please subscribe, leave a nice comment, hit the like button, and definitely press the bell icon.
Imagine turning onto an American highway and suddenly spotting a Kenworth motorhome so massive it looks more like a luxury mansion than an RV. Today, we're exploring this incredible concept, and every level hides something even more unbelievable. Before we begin, hit like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments where you would drive this dream machine first, because the final rooftop reveal might completely change how you imagine life on wheels. Walking through the main entrance, the drawing room immediately creates an atmosphere that feels elegant, welcoming, and surprisingly residential. Premium seating, refined finishes, and panoramic windows transform this opening space into a comfortable gathering area instead of a typical RV lounge. Just beyond it sits a luxury minibar designed for entertaining guests during unforgettable road trips across America. The nearby office area provides a quiet environment for remote work, proving that mobility no longer means sacrificing productivity. Hidden within the next section, an advanced smart technology control system manages lighting, climate, entertainment, and essential functions from one integrated interface. Before you assume you've already seen the highlights, the next rooms completely shift the experience. Moving deeper inside, the men's kit area offers organized storage and dedicated grooming space, helping everything remain tidy without wasting valuable room. Nearby, a carefully planned medication room keeps health essentials secure and easily accessible whenever they're needed. Continuing forward, the fully equipped gym area makes daily fitness possible without searching for local facilities, while the neighboring massage area delivers a relaxing escape after long hours behind the wheel. Families aren't forgotten either, because the kids' playing area gives younger travelers their own entertaining environment. Then the atmosphere changes dramatically inside the dedicated dance party club area, where lighting and music create an energetic celebration unlike anything expected inside a motorhome. Finally, the mysterious Love Twins secret room adds an element of privacy and intrigue that remains intentionally understated. You might think you've experienced everything already, but the upper level introduces an entirely different lifestyle. Climbing to the second floor, the luxury master bedroom immediately establishes a peaceful retreat separated from the activity below. Large windows invite natural light while carefully selected materials create a relaxing atmosphere worthy of a premium residence. Connected directly beside it, the spacious walk-in closet keeps clothing, accessories, and travel essentials beautifully organized for extended adventures. Next comes the luxury bathroom, combining sophisticated finishes with generous space that challenges traditional expectations for recreational vehicles. The journey continues into a premium kitchen where thoughtful design maximizes efficiency without sacrificing elegance. High-end appliances, generous preparation areas, and refined cabinetry make cooking feel genuinely enjoyable while traveling. Adjacent to the kitchen, the dining area creates a welcoming place for memorable meals shared with family or friends before the tour reaches its most surprising indoor destination. Just beyond the dining space, an indoor swimming pool completely transforms expectations about what can fit inside a luxury motorhome. While concept vehicles often showcase ambitious ideas, features like this represent the imagination pushing mobile living toward extraordinary possibilities. Whether every element reaches production or remains an exclusive showcase, the craftsmanship and creativity are impossible to ignore. Yet the experience still isn't complete, because one final destination waits above everything you've already explored. Stepping onto the rooftop sky deck, the atmosphere changes once again. Luxury seating surrounds a stylish lounge area where conversations naturally continue long after sunset. At the center, a beautifully designed fire pit creates warmth and ambience while panoramic views stretch across mountains, coastlines, deserts, or city skylines depending on the journey. This elevated retreat becomes the perfect place to unwind after an unforgettable day exploring America's open roads. Rather than ending with another interior feature, the rooftop delivers a cinematic finale that celebrates freedom, comfort, and adventure in one unforgettable setting. Whether this extraordinary Kenworth motorhome represents today's reality or tomorrow's ultimate vision, It captures exactly why luxury RV concepts fascinate enthusiasts across the United States. Every carefully planned space builds upon the last, creating a seamless journey from practical living to extraordinary indulgence without repeating the experience. If you enjoyed this exclusive walkthrough, subscribe now because we're bringing even more incredible luxury motorhomes, extreme RV innovations, and jaw-dropping rolling mansions that redefine travel. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger, keep exploring farther, and remember, the next unbelievable masterpiece on wheels could be even more astonishing than this one.